I want to show you how to wire wrap these nest beads using sterling wire. And I start off with a length of wire and I wrap around a doweling. The size, the diameter of the doweling depends on how large you want the beads to be. So I start off with a bit and then I crisscross as many times as possible. And this is a matter of aesthetic. You might want to crisscross less, but I think it's more interesting. And I keep crisscrossing until I have a bit of wire left like this. Then I remove the doweling and using a pair of round nose pliers, I twirl the end to make it smaller. Now, if you are trying to put a chain through, put the chain through before you twirl the ends of the wire. So, and then you tuck in the ends. In this way, it turns into a slight drop, and now you can use it as a regular bead. There you have it.